What's up, it's Nick, and I'm going to show you how to turn the Nolzurs Aboleth into this. We're going to start off with an all-over base coat of green-gray. After 2 layers, I'm adding heavy blue-gray to the mix so that it's 50-50 heavy blue-gray and green-gray, and I'll be blocking out the highlights along the figure. Not looking for any precision really here, just again blocking out the areas that would be affected by the light source. If you've been watching and you'd like to see more content like this, please just do me a favor and click on this little beholder, and you can subscribe to the channel, and this will keep you updated on all the latest content that I'm putting out there in my quest to paint the monster manual and all my shenanigans in between. Thank you. Adding some white to that mixture and now blocking out the brightest highlights. Some heavy brown for the underbelly. This is going to be underneath the main body and then all of the tentacles. Now I'm going to be adding some color to the Aboleth with a glaze of Merfolk Turquoise. Now with my original max highlight, Merfolk Turquoise and white, I'm going to be going over the impressions I made for the original max highlight. Ruddy skin as a base on the gums. Heavy black-green as a base on its 3 eyes. Adding some white to that ruddy skin to create some highlighting in the gums. Going back to the heavy black-green to create those stripes that are featured in the monster manual. And diluting down that heavy black-green to create shading in the deepest recesses of the figure, such as between the gills and under the folds of the tentacles. And basing the tail in heavy black-green as well. (70-30) mix of Merfolk Turquoise to heavy black-green, and I'm leaving that heavy black-green in the deepest part of the recesses. And repeating that process on the dorsal fins. Using the same mix to create points of light in the eyes. Adding white to my tail mixture to brighten up those edges. Starting off on the bottom half of the clear water effect with some green ink. This is going to take a few thin layers to really establish, so just be patient with it. And here's a look at the finished product. Now on the top half I'll be using blue ink. That's what I like to see there. And the Aboleth will sit on top of it like so. And we're ready to move on to the final stages, which is a dry brush here of Merfolk Turquoise and White. You can really see this dry brush catching these edges, this nice texture on the water like so. Apply the Aboleth, and that's it. Thanks for watching.